Hiro-san, it
Yes.
is Thursday. Oh my God, 999,996. It is exactly Thursday, 4:39. Hiro, we're trying to beat the counter before 5 p.m. so you can officially make it a good afternoon. Are you excited, Hiro?
Yeah, we should gonna be reaching to before still we have a 21 minutes.
21 more minutes to get 5 more new subscribers.
Oh.
Actually, 4 more. This is crazy. Crazy. Wow, 97. Come on, 3 more.
3 more.
Oh my goodness. This is like, it's killing me. Killing me. So excited for you, Hiro-san.
Yeah.
And you can see that graph, it's just trending up. We got 3 more to go. Oh my gosh. We have a lot of friends who are in constant contact with us and sending you like messages. Here, almost to 1 million, right? A lot of people sending you messages and all that.
Yeah. I received many since already 99.
Yeah. Okay, 3 more. We want to be able to share this up. We want to be able to share
98.
this. 98. Man, you're faster than me. What are you using to count those?
This is what they call the YT something. YT.
YouTube counter. You're a little faster than Social Blade. But if you guys haven't checked out Social Blade, check it out, socialblade.com. You can find out all the latest stats about your favorite YouTubers. And
99.
99. Oh my gosh. No. This is crazy.
Oh, already.
No! Oh yeah! At 4:44 p.m. Thursday, Hiro-san, you have reached 1 million. Come on, champagne, Hiro.
I missed the count.
You missed a count, don't worry. Oh my God, and +2.
Okay.
Come on, champagne. Let's do it, Hiro. Oh, wait, watch out my computer.
Right.
Hiro-san. Oh my gosh, congratulations, Hiro.
So last three was so faster, you know.
Yeah, last week. Thank gosh we were like recording this already.
99.
Plus another one. We love you all. Each and every one of you, 1,000,003 subscribers. We both love you guys all so much. Woohoo! We got messages coming in. Hiro-san. Kanpai, salut, congratulations. You are the best. 1 million plus 3.
3 already.
Yes, we have messages coming in already. Thank you so much, Hiro. It's been such a wonderful journey. We can't thank each and every one of you, 1 million plus, for being part of this again.
No.
Please watch this video coming out. You guys are going to love it. Spent a lot of time editing it, and we hope you'll enjoy the journey for the last 6.5 years.
So next stop is 10 million, right?
No, let's try 2 million.
2 million.
Thank you all so much.
Okay.
Good afternoon. So right now we're heading back to the studio, and I'm talking to Hiro right now about the 1 millionth subscriber special video. And since it's all going to be happening now you're going to see what we're discussing. Hiro gave the brilliant idea of going skydiving.
Actually, I never have done before.
Okay.
And then it's pretty much very scary to me to the skydiving, jump off from the airplane.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's so scary, but that's why maybe it's good to be 1 million subscribers. Special video
for all the people that follow you.
Probably they have an option. I can put in the camera on my things, and some people actually recording the that stuff too. So from sky to touchdown, how many times I can say good afternoon if I don't pass out?
If you don't pass out, that's good. Okay, we're finally here, Hiro.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So first time, that's the first one. Skydiving, excited. How you feel?
Actually, he wanted to go with him. He wants to go too.
Want to go too?
Yeah, but with him together.
Let's go jump in with him.
Okay.
Donde mi struktur. Do you want to try?
You have to make sure he says good afternoon when he jumps out of the plane. You too, with good afternoon when you jump out of the plane.
Yeah.
Okay, just like his t-shirt says right here. Good afternoon.
I cannot see it anymore. Just say 1 million.
1 million, good afternoon.
Just like this, 1 million.
All right. Good afternoon. You're gonna jump in on the plane. There's 1 million.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, guys. We're gonna fight. Ready? Are you ready? Scared a little bit, yeah? Don't worry, I push you. All right. Good afternoon. Welcome to Miami Skydiving Center. Look at that t-shirt. 1 million. 1 million. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. All right. What we gonna do over here today?
We're gonna do a skydiving.
Skydiving, jumping out the perfectly airplane. Is a good idea today. What do you think?
Maybe I'm not good afternoon.
Maybe not.
Not
But
only good afternoon. Yeah.
all right, let's see.
Yes,
Up into the
all
sky.
right.
Enjoy. Have fun. Woo!
Say good afternoon. 1 million. Thank you very much.
Right, enjoy.
Yes! Oh my god! Oh! Woo! Now this is talking about good afternoon now. Oh yes.
So here we are, we're at the landing site. This is a landing area. Oh, I think that's one up right up there. I don't know if you can see that. He is. That looks like Hiro in the white shirt. You did it, Hiro!
Oh yeah.
Good afternoon!
Yeah, very good afternoon.
How do you do? How do you do?
All right. Everything is fine. Him is the best skydiver today.
Really?
All right.
All right, Hiro.
On the ground, how you feeling? How you feeling? How was it? How you like skydiving?
Good. Still
So did a
alive.
good job. Do you have a 1 million
Yeah,
person following you? All right. Are you ready for next one?
I do.
I do.
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
pretty good.
next one by himself.
No.
Did a good job. Congratulations.
Thank
Thank
you
you for
very much.
coming. See you soon again. Okay.
All right.
Woo! Rock and roll, baby!
Hold on 1 second, Hiro. Let me just make sure. I have to make sure it's you and not a ghost. What do you have to say?
Wow. It's a very good afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah, I tried that. I just finished skydiving in the place. So they gave us the this graduation
Yeah.
kind of certificate. Yeah, it was scary at the beginning because of the, of course, you know, I guess the place
Yeah.
I don't like much. So once you see the air, it's a little bit scary.
Right.
But once you're off from the airplane, it's so pretty relaxing.
Yeah, relaxing. Enjoy the views.
Yeah, enjoy the views. Yeah.
But I know that you want to thank each and every one of your subscribers, because
I
that's
try
why we're here
to-
today.
Yeah, I haven't seen. Of course, I haven't seen the video yet, but I try to say 1 million good afternoon
Yes.
as many times.
And thank you to each and every one of
Oh,
you
yes.
for
Yeah, everyone
subscribing to
subscribe
Hiro's
to,
channel.
Channel.
And I have to thank everyone too, because without your subscription and viewing, I would have nothing to eat, right? So, Hiro, congratulations again, and on to 2 million.
Yeah, 2 million.
Yes.
We're gonna do something. But yeah, this skydiving experience, actually, I like to try again.
You want to try it
Yeah, I
again?
feel I like to try it again.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good experience actually.
Right, right. And also for the viewers, they want to do a face reveal, so I'm going to do it right now, Hiro. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Sure, let's go. Oh man. Oh boy. Wow.
Hiro, the mark to beat was 50 slices. You
Yes.
did have a few deductions.
Oh, come on.
You ended up with 88. It's a new
Yeah!
Guinness World Record. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You didn't just beat the record,
All right.
you smashed the record. 88.
It's good night, man.
It's brilliant, young man.
Beautiful.
You happy?
Beautiful.
Give me a kiss. No! Come on.
Chef Ramsay, he wants to tell you one thing, Hiro. What do you want to say to him?
Good afternoon.
Hiro,
Yes, yes, yes.
do you think anyone's still watching?
I think someone maybe. It's a true YouTube fan, I think, still watching.
If anyone's still watching now, I think they're really your true fan. You know what? I think you should do a special giveaway for them.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? We both agree.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. You give away 3 signed knives.
Yes.
It's a first person to answer these 3 questions. Actually, you can just answer 1 to win 1 knife. You don't need to know all 3 answers, but you answer 1 question, you comment first, and then you get the knife.
Right.
So what's the first question you want to ask
first
people?
question actually under this video. You guys just watch it under this video. In the red dress, who is name of that person wearing the red dress? Is coming in the video.
Right, red dress, and she's got sunglasses, I believe.
Yes, black sunglasses.
If you know, comment below. Be the first one to comment below,
Right.
and you win a signed knife. Okay,
And second question is actually about the cameraman.
oh, about me. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Hiro.
So where's his graduate high school?
Where high school I went to?
Yes. Which high school he went to?
Which high school I went to?
If
Okay,
you're a true fan, you know that.
right.
So this is the second one. And then last question is
Think of a good one, Hiro. Think of a really good.
yeah. So everyone talking about the good afternoon.
Right.
So which video was first time I said good afternoon?
Yep. That's great.
So
So if you guys know the answer, that's great, Hiro. If you guys know the answer to these 3 questions or 1 question, comment below. The first person to get each question right wins a signed knife by Hiro. That's awesome. And maybe no one's watching this video, Hiro. Maybe everybody left already.
maybe.
Maybe. But
Hopefully
you know
not.
what? A lot of people, they always make a comment first. You know what? We appreciate that. I know Hiro really enjoys that, to be first one to watch and comment, but it's the people who watch all the way to the end.
Right.
I don't know, you wanted to give something back to your fans and how much you really appreciate them for following you. Thank you so much
Yeah,
again
thank you very
from both
much.
of us. And I know Hiro really appreciates it. We are really nothing without you guys being here and sharing these videos with us and comments and being able to let Hiro do this. So a very good afternoon to you. And sorry guys, I know you guys were expecting the face reveal from me. I think I'll try that spicy ramen challenge instead. Maybe I'll have to try that one.
Spicy ramen challenge. Sure. Yeah. Or maybe natto challenge.
Oh no,
Metro soybean
let's not do
challenge.
that. That's going to be a 2 million challenge for me, Hiro. Okay, thanks again guys
Yeah,
for
thank you
being
very
part
much,
of this
everyone.
channel. Good luck to all of you. If you're still here, I think you're wasting your time. Go back and watch those videos and get us the answers right away. Comment below. And good afternoon.
Yeah.
And that train.
Train also say good afternoon.
The train saying good afternoon. Look at this. So noisy around here. Okay. See you soon.